Frequently asked questions about the Brinly Combination Spike Aerator and Drop Spreader. Vehicles. This attachment attaches with a standard hitch pin and cotter and will work with any riding mower, ZTR, or UTV with a universal hitch plate on the back. If you are operating a ZTR, be sure to make wider turns to avoid jackknifing the attachment. Storage. The attachment should be stored out of the elements and can be propped upright against a wall for a minimal footprint. You can move the spread rate handle further out of the way by loosening the bolt with 2 half-inch wrenches and pivoting the arm to a 90-degree angle against the hopper. Just be sure to put the spread rate handle back in place before operation. Cleaning. We recommend cleaning the piece with a pressure washer or a hose and drying it fully with an air gun or leaf blower to avoid cross-contamination of materials between seasons. Maintenance. To access the chain, remove the chain protector with 2 7/16" wrench and sockets and put a light coating of oil on the chain and exposed steel to avoid rusting after cleaning the attachment. Be sure to replace the chain guard with the 2 nuts and bolts and 2 7/16" wrench and sockets. Additional weight. An optional weight tray is available in the Brinly Parts store under part number 1019321. When fully weighted down with a full hopper, the steel tines can achieve up to 3 inches in aeration depth. Avoid running over paver stones or sprinkler heads as the tines could cause damage or be damaged themselves. Anything buried more than 3 inches underground, like invisible fencing, should be clear of the tines. Operation. To cross paver stones and walkways, simply disengage the tines by lowering the lift handle and locking it into place under the bracket. Shift the handle out from the bracket and raise it to engage the tines when you are back on the soil. Material will drop out of the bottom of the gate after the aeration slits are made in the earth, and some of the material will fall into the slits, greatly increasing your chances of better results than spreading alone. Spike aeration also allows nutrients and water to reach the roots of your lawn. The tines drive the agitator axle inside of the hopper, so the drop spreader cannot be used without the aeration engaged into the ground. A speed of 3 miles an hour and no faster than 5 miles an hour is recommended for the best yield. Download a speedometer app to track your speed if needed. Application settings. The flow control handle sets the size of the gate openings, and the left edge of the washer should be on the desired setting number. The application rates are different depending on the size of the material you are spreading, and your material must be completely dry to avoid clumping. We recommend setting the lever from a 3 to a 5 for spreading very fine seeds like bluegrass or light material like nitrogen. A setting between 7 and 13 should work for medium seeds like rye or pellet and medium granule fertilizers. We recommend a more open setting between 12 and 19 for Kentucky 31, large fescue seeds, and heavy pellets. Due to the mechanics of the agitator and the limited size of the hopper openings, this attachment will not spread bulk salt, ice melt or bag salt, compost, worm casings, manure, or powdered materials like lime will not spread efficiently with this spreader. For the best results, test your spread on a 100 square foot patch of land and then adjust the aperture to spread more or less in order to fit your needs. Replacement parts. A video on replacing the bearings, chain, and agitators on the Brinly Aerator Spreader Combo can be found on Brinly's YouTube page, and replacement parts can be purchased at the Brinly online parts store. For more questions, call Brinly Customer Service at 877-728-8224. Brinly, making things better since 1839.